can't believe how much we did this afternoon. I have a friend, today would have been his whole life.
Now, what time are you picking me up tonight?
Huh?
You got reservations at Sfuzi, didn't you?
Oh, yeah, Safuzi. I gotta do that.
Should I wear the outfit I bought today?
Sure.
Which one?
The one with the problem.
You know what? If I'm gonna get my hair cut, I better go now. Call me when you get home. I won't be there, but leave a message so I know you called.
Okay, okay.
Do you mind?
No, I'll grab him. Yeah.
Hey, I've done that today.
What'd you lose your remote?
Nah, cable's out. What's with you? You look dead.
It's Lynette. I need like an assistant or an intern or something.
A relationship intern. Hey, what if the two of us teamed up?
Not.
No. No.
No, because that's...
No.
Yeah.
Listen to me. We're always sitting here. I'm always helping you with your girl problems. You're always helping me with my girl problems. Where do we end up?
Here.
Exactly. Because neither one of us can handle a woman all by ourselves.
I'm trying.
I've tried. We don't have it. But maybe the two of us working together at full capacity could do the job of one normal man.
And each of us would only have to be like a half man. That sounds about right. You got the tickets?
Yeah. 2 for the 7:15 of Lenore's Promise. What, are you wearing a green sweater?
I like it.
Well, that doesn't. Here's your blue one. It's her favorite.
What?
Just put it on!
Oh.
All right. Now, remember she got her nails done today. So, remark on how you like the color. And if you need me, you beat me, all right? Yeah. There you go. There you go. All right. Hey. Go get him. You're a tiger.
Hey, George, 1 second. She's having a party Friday night. She wants me to take care of the invitations.
A little notice would have helped. Now, how many people?
35. And George, on the invitations.
Yeah, I know. Don't skimp. Go.
Right on time. I like that.
I like your nails. That is a great color.
Love sweater.
This whole thing.
Little help?
Hey.
Ralph? Yeah. You know, we need a fourth for the back nine. You want in?
What's the deal with airplane peanuts?
Yeah, sure. Come on.
Well, I'm ready. Let's towel it up.
Jerry, where are those invitations you were supposed to get? If they don't go out today, they're useless.
But we're in towels.
Jerry.
All right. 1 second.
Ralph, he's yours.
Hello. George, where are those invitations? You were supposed to leave them with her doorman.
Did you shave your chest hair?
No. Did you at least pick them up?
Yeah, super glossy. The best they had.
All right, well, get them over here pronto. We're at towels here, George.
All right. Keep your towel on.
What?
It's a joke.
All right, that's not bad. Now get over here.
Ow.
My God. George.
I slipped on the invitations. Where's the towels?
Yeah, back on the rack.
Even with the two of us.
I think we're still a man short.